What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda out here with my Porsche Cayenne. And down here, these little running light bulbs are old, yellow, and kind of dim. I want to make this car look a little more modern. I'm going to show you how to do it. So I've ordered some LED bulbs to replace these, and that's just one of those little standard halogen bulbs. And I think it's really going to lift the car up. Now I want to show you how to get these lamps out because it's actually really, really easy. Much easier than I thought, but it's also a little scary because they're plastic tabs. Hopefully yours will come out. But you just want to kind of grab it like this. And what I've kind of found is instead of pulling it out, because there's nothing really here to grab on, you kind of want to rotate it like this. You kind of want to pull it out this way. And the long tabs on this side, it's going to feel like you're really muscling this thing, are probably going to pop out, hopefully. And what I've found is you kind of want to pull it towards the outside as much as possible, and that'll help release it. And then, all right, got the thing out. Now there are two cables here. Ooh, and some leaves, clean that out. And the top one, which is the bulb I'm gonna replace, just kind of pulls out. You're just gonna wiggle that and it'll pull straight out. And it's just a little bulb that'll pull right out. Now, if you need to replace this, what you do is you just kind of 1/8 of a turn it like this, and replace that bulb. But I don't need to replace that bulb right now, so I'm just gonna reinstall that. Or if you're replacing the whole housing. So I'm just gonna take out this bulb, pull straight out, just like that. And now we're gonna replace it with this little bulb, and that's an LED bulb. You can see the little LED elements all over it right here. And I'm just gonna use my sleeve to hold it so that I don't get my fingerprints or oil on the LED emitters. And you'll just line it up and slide it back in. You want to make sure it's pressed all the way in there, nice firmly in there. Then you're just going to push it back into the socket there. That's it. Now you want to line up your tabs. The biggest one is right up here. I use that as my guide. And then push it. Get all the other tabs lined up. Just push it back in. Push it back into place. And there. Now, hopefully, everything turns on. Let's test it out. All right, so I've got the original bulb on this side. You can see it's that yellowish, less bright, dimmer, standard halogen bulb. And on this side now, I've got that LED bulb in there. Man, look at that. Not even close. It's brighter and just whiter. Just gives it a nice, clear, modern look instead of that old dim yellow. Yellow, white, yellow, white. All right, I'm gonna upgrade them both. Okay, if you want to pick up these bulbs, I will put a link to them in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.